Hello, TikTok. Welcome to my live. If you haven't already, please hit that screen, show your girl some love. And hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello, YouTubers. If you guys are just coming on, please tap on that screen and show your girl some love, and also share my live. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I imperfect my eyebrows. So I'm going to use only two things, well actually three, maybe four, maybe five. I'm going to use my eyeshadow palette, which is by Kiss. I use a dark brown, and I'm going to use my Nicka K pencil, which is a black brown, and I'm going to use my concealer number 07 from Nicka K, and it's called Alcorn. And I'm going to use my sponge, and I'm going to use my angle brush, and those are going to be the tools of having the perfect eyebrow. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm going to move up close so you guys can see. So I'm going to brush up my eyebrows. Right? And this is my black and brown pencil I'm using by Nicka K. And I'm going to fill it in with my pencil. That's it. That's all I did. Very simple, very easy. And I did it halfway. Now I'm going to go in and use my small angle brush, and I'm going to use my favorite eyeshadow palette. It doesn't matter what eyeshadow palette you use. I'm going to use a dark brown. I'm going to use this dark brown at the bottom if you can see it. I'm going to apply that towards the front of my eye. Hello everybody on TikTok. Welcome to my live. If you just come in, please tap on this screen for me, please. And also share my live to show your girl some love. Also the same for YouTube. If you just joined, please tap on this screen and please share my live. So I'm going to use my dark brown eyeshadow palette. It doesn't matter which brand, but I love this one because it stays on all day for me. And it looks very natural, so everyone asks me how do I do my eyebrows. So this is how I start doing them, because I always use a pencil. So I'm just going to go in with my eyeshadow with a dark brown and fill my eyebrow. So this really kind of reminds you of some pomade that everybody uses for your eyebrows. Now I'm going to go in with my concealer. So I'm going to do two separate videos, I think, on TikTok. So this is going to be the first live. Then I'm going to end it, and I'm going to come back and then go to the whole makeup tutorial. So I'm going to go underneath my eyebrow. This is the Alcorn. I'm just going to go underneath. So just be careful while applying. So just a curve. And my inspiration of having my eyebrows arch is the beautiful, iconic Aaliyah. So I feel very inspired by her looks in the early 90s and 2000s. And I'm going to use my sponge. I promise you guys, I just had my sponge finished look for doing my eyebrows with some eyeshadow, dark brown, and